So no matter what I turn the blower to, it doesn't work. So now we'll go through and replace the blower resistor. So I've purchased a new blower resistor, we just need to replace it now. So this is the blower right here, and here's the blower resistor. You remove this blower resistor, and then you remove the two screws you see there using a Phillips screwdriver. So right there is the blower resistor. I purchased this new, and this is what we're going to use to replace the blower resistor. Here I'm removing the two Phillips screws. Be sure you don't lose them because the blower resistor does not come with these screws. So it looks like it's okay. You can see some corrosion on it, but we're going to replace it and see if this fixes the problem. Alright, here I'm connecting up this harness. This is from the speed control. Okay, here the blower on low. Blower on low 2, medium, and high. So yeah, the blower is working fine now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Yeah, I'd like you to check out Tom Peterson's channel. He is Refuse Reuse. He makes some awesome stuff. He commented on my Instagram post the other day of a picture under the dash showing the blower resistor, and I didn't say what it was. I said guess what it was, and he guessed what it was. So stop over to his channel. I have a link in my description and in the comment below. Stop on his channel and watch some of his videos and hit him up with a subscribe. Thanks.